Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. I hope all of you are doing great. I welcome all of you on my channel with this new video. I hope all my friends are enjoying their good health and happy lives. May Almighty keep us safe and secure. So many prayers for you and your families. So let's talk about this video. In this video you are going to get an amazing variety of just crochet rugs. And here we come to a point that why rugs are so important. So rugs are often chosen as a floor covering based on how they look and feel, and but there is something that, do you know, they also have a positive impact on the indoor air quality of your homes and the longevity of your carpet. Actually, rugs are an important part of our home decor, especially in homes with a large percentage of hard flooring, etc. And along with that, rugs brighten up a room and give warmth and comfort for those who walk or sit or sometimes lie on the rugs. And along with that, when placed on the top of the carpet, they protect the carpet from traffic spills and actually abrasive soils, thus slowing down the wear process and protecting your carpet. And there are in this video so many beautiful designs and ideas for you if you are going to do your own crochet rug. And one thing more, that after all, it's much easier to replace a rug than a whole house of carpet. So going for rugs is having so many benefits in it. It looks beautiful, it brightens up, it gives comfortable, it is useful, as well as it makes your carpet protected and you feel so secured and so comfortable. And along with that, some researches prove that rugs are also good for health. And one thing related to it is that you may have sometimes heard that carpeted houses have been better. Actually, carpeted houses have better indoor air quality as compared to the houses with hard floors. And this is because carpets act like a filter, like pulling airborne pollutants out of the air, trapping pollutants until they are removed with vacuuming or professional carpet cleaning, etc. Naturally, rugs act like carpet in the house, acting as a filter of airborne pollutants. So, if you have got family members with asthma or allergies and you have large areas of hard floors in your home, then you must go for rugs. And you can have ideas from this video to do the crochet rugs by yourselves. In this way, you would be doing artistic pieces and your time will be utilized in a very good way. And you know, here on your screen are so many beautiful rugs that look so stylish, and they are coming in different colors. For example, this one is so cute, and you know, this one is also a combination of light and bright colors, and it is looking so beautiful. And this one is also having a very beautiful look. If you, for example, put it in your room that has a dark paint, it would be so prominent. And this one can be used in a room that has a light paint or the light colored wall covering, so this would look so prominent and bright. And this is again in the light color, but it is so stylish. You know, let's have a look at its pattern. This is so cute. You can do it if you pay a little attention to learn the things. This one is also having a color combination. The creator has used 3 colors in it, and again this one is also so cute. Just see the way the creator has created it. It is super stylish. Your room would be so beautiful while you put it in your room. And this one is also so cute, this purple one, and having lighter and darker shades and a shade of black in it. This one is wow. It is simple as well as elegant. If you put it in your room, it would be so stylish. It would give you comfort. This one is also so cute with having a light and dark colored combination. I think the children also love such colors that look so bright and prominent. This one is also so cute, so pretty, so pretty. You can see its pattern is so amazing. Its waves are so amazing. This one is also so beautiful and artistic piece. If you put it in a dark colored room, it would be so prominent and would make the room beautiful. For example, this one is adding to the beauty of room, as well as it would provide comfort to the feet of the person who lies on the bed. And this one is also, and one of these is shown in the picture, can be used as a foot mat also. So you can go for the things that are available at your side and you can make in a low budgeted way. Along with that, your time would not be wasted. For example, some grandmothers are staying at home and they do not have so many things to do, and they create artistic pieces of these things. For example, one of my friends sent me so beautiful pictures of the crochet bags that she created during lockdown, and I was amazed to see the artistic pieces that she sent to me. I was so amazed that she was utilizing her lockdown time in a very good way, and she was creating the things to give to her grandsons and so many other people that were around her and were near and dear ones. And if you want to utilize your time too, if you are a housewife and you have plenty of time, or you are a grandmother, or you want to gift something to your friends or their families and you don't have extra money to waste, or you want to create the things in a low budgeted way, then these ideas may work for you. These would create so many stylish rugs with so many beautiful color patterns, and my video is giving you ideas. I hope you are liking this video. My dear friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel till yet, please subscribe.